Today, we're diving into one of the most unique food trucks you'll ever see, a retro-styled, three-wheeled mobile vending unit that's turning heads everywhere it goes. From the shiny, eye-catching exterior to the thoughtfully crafted interior, this little vehicle is a perfect blend of vintage charm and modern functionality. Well, let's start with the exterior. The checkered orange and white paintwork gives off a fun, retro vibe, while the bright green accents add a touch of freshness. The umbrella creates a welcoming space for customers, and the shiny finish of the vehicle ensures it stands out no matter where it's parked. Now let's step inside. The interior makes perfect use of the compact space, featuring a small stainless steel countertop, a mini sink, and compact cooking equipment like a single-burner stove. Overhead cabinets and shelves provide efficient storage, while soft LED lighting ensures a bright and functional workspace. This food truck isn't just about style. It's packed with features that make running a business easy. The efficient layout saves time and space, while the compact size allows it to operate in tight locations or busy streets. The stainless steel surfaces and storage solutions make cleaning and organization a breeze. Plus, its vibrant design naturally attracts customers, giving any business a competitive edge. The service window is conveniently located, making customer interaction smooth and hassle-free. There's even a small cash register set up to handle payments with ease. Overall, this food truck is a marvel of design and functionality. Its compact size doesn't hold it back. It's efficient, stylish, and perfectly equipped to deliver a top-notch street food experience. Whether you're a fan of vintage aesthetics or just looking for an innovative mobile business idea, this three-wheeled food truck is sure to inspire. Let us know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more unique reviews like this one.